Hey babes, today we are going to explore the many benefits of facial steaming while reviewing this at-home skincare facial steam kit. So let's talk about facial steaming and then pamper ourselves. You get so many benefits from steaming your face. As with anything, sometimes there are disadvantages. Just make sure that it is safe for your skin. And if you don't want to buy those expensive steaming kits, no problem, because you can do it right at home. Let's explore this at-home steaming kit. Now, be sure to keep the unit 8 inches away from the face to prevent any facial burning. I'm going to be honest, the heat from the steam was intense and it took me a minute to get my skin adjusted to the heat. But once I adapted to the temperature and just relaxed, it was quite refreshing. It is a great idea to exfoliate after steaming to reap full benefits because your pores are open so you can fully deep clean. The best time to steam would be right before bedtime because your skin and you are vulnerable because your pores are open, which also makes a great time to apply skin medications, skin products, and your favorite moisturizer for maximum absorption. This machine automatically shuts off after 15 minutes. So now that you're finished, just pat your skin dry, finish your skincare routine, and get that beauty rest that you so deserve. See you in the morning, babes. Be sure to subscribe if you like this content and you want to learn more about beauty, makeup, and locks. Thank you so much for watching.